Zuna Aziz and welcome to my channel. Today I'm wearing our limited edition printed scarf. This is called Darjeeling Tea in the color of grey. This is our new LE called Darjeeling Tea. Wear it about 1/3 of the length of the shawl. Take the shorter part, pin it like this whole part and sembunyikan. Once you're done, you take the longer punya shawl. So you just bring it over here. If you want, you can sembunyikan part yang panjang tu kat bawah baju. And you're done. This kind of style, dia sangat sesuai if you want to keep it very clean, very minimal. Because I think that now is a trend of, you know, like minimalism, very simple, very effortless. So it's nice for you to wear prints yang macam ni in a very simple, minimal punya style, so that you will not like overdo it. And this is how it looks from the front, and this is how it looks from the back. Seeloknya kalau you pakai tudung print is to stay away from style yang a bit extravaganza. You can do it, of course, that's not an issue. Cuma kalau selalunya it looks more expensive. The print will look more expensive if you wear it in simple style. So these are available on the website and at our physical boutique. So if you want to know more about our limited edition collections, the colors, what the inspiration behind it, you can just click on the link down below. If you like any of our videos, please don't forget to subscribe because we will always upload it. Yeah, like always. Alright, thank you. See you.